How to link cells in different Excel spreadsheet. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. As you can see, I want to add spreadsheet 2 option on sheet 1. So simply go to sheet 1, select the cell where you want to add sheet 2's name, and then press on is equals to sheet. Write sheet S should be capital letter S. After that, sheet 2 as I want to add from sheet 2, then is equals to, and the number is in A1, so A1, and then press on enter. As you can see, it has been entered. This is how to link cells in different Excel spreadsheet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.